Dear friends, topic is how to use split screen in Windows. Okay, so that is the topic. You can make 2 split screen or 3 split screen or even 4 split screen in the same window. Right? How to do it? Just let us see. Now, so this is the window screen. Okay, so first of all, just open. I have opened 3 windows. Right, one mail. Next is this another window, some YouTube. Next is another window. Okay, third window. The other is fourth window. Okay, so these are the 4 windows. 1, 2, 3, then 4. Okay, so now first of all, let us minimize 2 window. Okay, keep it 1. Okay, now this is 1 window, right? Mail is 1 window. So in order to keep 1 by second, 1 by 2 or half of the screen, what you have to do is just press this. There is a title bar, drag it to the right side and drag it furthermore, and now there will be, see, along this side there will be one line. So when you move it here, then you need to release it, right? And the other half, whatever the windows that has been opened, it is available, right? And once you click this window, so it becomes the other half. There is the left half, and this is the right half, and this is the left half. Okay, now let us do 3 windows. Okay, so how to do is just drag it and hold on the cursor, move it, just okay, 1 minute. Okay, we will move here. Okay, one thing we'll do, just let us okay, make this like this. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to click it, drag it, and drag it until you go leave it to the corners. Let us move 1 minute. Okay, now if you find, you could find 1 by 4th, there will be some marking. Okay, yes, now release it. Okay, then again just drag it, hold on, and move it across the corners along the right side. Okay, no, yes, release it. So once this is done, this side there will be lot many options to choose. So I am choosing this. Okay, so this will be the other option. Okay, other left side screen. So we have 3 screens now. 1 screen here, see here, you can use it as such. 1 screen, second screen, then third screen. Okay, now how to use 4th screen? Now let us okay, what is that screen left? Okay, this is the screen left. So how to move this is just drag on to this corner. Now release it. Now this part, 1 by 4th of the part, will have different options. Suppose if you click any one part, okay, okay, so this is the one part, I am just clicking it. Okay, so now I got various options. Okay, even if I close this also, I can get another. See, I am just minimizing it. So another you can get. Okay. So now we got 4 split screens. See here, you can use this screen. You can also use this screen 2, 3, and 4. Right. So this is the procedure. Right. This is the procedure how to use split screen in Windows. That is 2 split screen, 3 split screen, and even 4 split screen. Okay. Thank you, friends. Hope you understood how to use split screens in Windows. Okay. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.